Welcome to this DaVinci Resolve Fusion node breakdown. Today's node is the Set Canvas Color node. So the Set Canvas Color node is basically used to set the color of the area outside of the domain of definition. And if we go up here, basically this dashed line around there, that's your domain of definition. So if we were to say resize or footage here, all this area in here is our canvas. So right now, if we look down here, we can see it's all alpha 0, which means it's all transparent, which is great. That might be what we want. And if we go back into our edit page, you can see it's all black. And when we're in our edit page, we really don't know if this is a color or if it's transparency. So unless we jump back and forth into Fusion, we really can't tell. Now, if we wanted that black, that's great. We could leave it, and if we delivered this without any alpha channels, it's going to deliver black. But if we delivered in a format with alpha channels, we could be missing our entire background. So one way to avoid those issues is, one, we can add a set canvas color. And you notice it's just an inline node, and we can go up here, we can increase our alpha to 1, and that way we know, hey, this is a black background, and it's going to look the same when we come in here. But working in Fusion, we know we want this black if we don't want it transparent. Additionally, we can change the color if we want to whatever color we want. And again, that reflects in our edit page. Now, I know one thing we do a lot is if we need a background color, we just simply get a background. And let me go ahead and remove this. And actually we'll put that into our background, our foreground. And we can go in here and we can change the color just like we did. Or we can make it transparent if we need to. And again, it all looks the same and it works exactly the same. But if you notice, the one big difference is it's not in line. So we have to use this merge node to make all this happen. Or we can just use the set canvas node and make it happen in line. It's pretty simple, and we could put that wherever we need it. We could put it at the end of the line right before our media out after everything, so we know our background is our background. And that is it. Now this green button up here, what this green button does is it supposedly allows you to input a background color or use an image to set the background color. But I've never been able to get this thing to work correctly. So let's say we bring this in, which is this background, put it in here, we see nothing. And there's no options to make any changes. So I thought it might be the media type since this is JPEG. But let's go ahead and bring a video in. Still nothing. And maybe they want a background color. Still nothing. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to work or if there's anything else I am supposed to be doing to get this option to work, because there's nothing else in the documentation about it, and I've never been able to get it to work. So if you have any input, let me know. But that is your set canvas node, and I'll see you in the next node breakdown.